I bought and tested these digital pianos so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're in the market for an 88-key digital piano, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that offer great features and value. Product number 1, the Beatbit Piano Notes Guide. As a beginner, I often found myself overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information to learn on the piano. That's when I stumbled upon the Beatbit Piano Notes Guide. This product changed my learning experience completely. The silicone note strips are a game changer. They're designed to fit perfectly on any 88-key or 61-key digital piano without the hassle of sticky labels. I remember the first time I unboxed it, I was a bit skeptical. However, within seconds, I was installing it on my keyboard and it was so easy. The double staff sheet design helped me locate notes faster than I ever thought possible. No longer did I need to memorize the names of every key or where middle C was located. I simply placed the note strips on the keys and was ready to play. One of the features I loved most was that when I started to get comfortable with the keys, I could remove the strips easily without leaving any residue behind. This product is not just for kids, it's suitable for all ages and skill levels. Pros: easy installation, reusable, no sticky residue, beginner-friendly design. Cons: not a traditional piano, so it lacks sound quality. Why buy it? If you're starting your piano journey and want a simple, effective way to learn the keys without clutter, the Beatbit Piano Notes Guide is a must-have. Product number 2, Finger Ballet Portable Piano Keyboard. The Finger Ballet Portable Piano Keyboard was my go-to for portability. It's an 88-key semi-weighted digital piano that folds up, making it incredibly easy to transport. I remember taking it with me on a weekend getaway, and it was a breeze to set up. The sound quality blew me away, especially for the price. The touch-sensitive keys give you that traditional piano feel, which is essential for dynamic playing. One feature that stood out was the Bluetooth MIDI connectivity. I could connect it to my tablet and use various music apps without worrying about wires. It has over 128 tones and rhythms, so whether I wanted to play a classical piece or something more modern, I had the options. Pros: portable, Bluetooth connectivity, high sound quality, multiple tones. Cons: semi-weighted keys might not satisfy professional players. Why buy it? If you need a portable solution without sacrificing quality, this is your best bet. It's perfect for anyone who wants to practice on the go or perform in various settings. Product number 3, the Blue Electronic Piano. The Blue Electronic Piano was a pleasant surprise for me. As someone who's still learning, I appreciated its user-friendly features. The 88 keys felt just right, and the sound quality was impressive for a keyboard. I loved the variety of tones and rhythms available, over 200. One of my favorite features was the dual keyboard function, which allowed me to play alongside a friend. It even has a built-in metronome, which is a lifesaver for practice. Additionally, the piano is foldable, making it super easy to carry around. I found myself playing in different locations, from my living room to the local park, and it never failed to deliver. Pros: great variety of sounds. Portable, dual keyboard function. Cons: the built-in speakers could be better. Why buy it? If you're looking for an affordable yet versatile instrument that accommodates both beginners and more experienced players, the Blue is worth considering.
Product number 4, Vayomu 88-key semi-weighted piano. The Vayomu 88-key semi-weighted piano is a powerhouse packed with features. From the moment I set it up, I was impressed by its sleek design and sturdy build. The semi-weighted keys feel fantastic, perfect for learning techniques that require sensitivity. I dove into the 1,000 tones and rhythms right away. It's incredible how much variety you can explore. The teaching modes are especially helpful. They make learning new songs engaging and less intimidating. Another aspect that really made a difference for me was the dual built-in stereo speakers, which deliver excellent sound quality. It's hard to believe I was playing a keyboard and not a full-fledged piano. Pros:
Extensive sound options, sturdy build, great for beginners and professionals. Cons: more advanced players might desire fully weighted keys. Why buy it? If you want a versatile digital piano that can grow with you, the Vayomu is an excellent choice. Product number 5, Strick 88-key digital piano. We have the Strick 88-key digital piano. This one caught my eye with its ultra-slim design, and I wasn't disappointed. It's incredibly portable and perfect for anyone who's constantly on the move. The touch-sensitive keys felt responsive, and I loved the variety of sounds it offered. With 128 tones and rhythms, I never felt limited in my musical creativity. The fact that it has a long-lasting battery was a major plus for me. I could practice outdoors for hours without worrying about finding an outlet. Additionally, the dual stereo speakers provided rich sound quality that was a joy to listen to. Pros: lightweight, excellent sound quality, long-lasting battery. Cons: might not be suitable for those seeking a traditional piano experience. Why buy it? The Strick is ideal for anyone who values portability but doesn't want to sacrifice quality. It's an excellent choice for learners and casual players alike. In conclusion, each of these digital pianos offers unique features tailored for different needs. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned player looking for portability, there's something on this list for you. Choose wisely and happy playing.